So, Google has finally dropped Imagen 4 Ultra, and let me tell you, it's next level. This is not just another text-to-image model. Imagen 4 Ultra is clean, sharp, ultra-realistic, and honestly, it's a serious competitor in the AI art game. Whether you're into hyper-detailed landscapes, cinematic characters, futuristic scenes, or photorealistic compositions, this model delivers. And in this video, we're diving into everything you need to know with real-time testing inside Google AI Studio. Oh, and did I mention it's available for free? Yup, no paywall needed to get started. So sit tight, I'll show you exactly how to use it. So here's the deal. Imagen 4 Ultra is now fully integrated into the Gemini API and Google AI Studio. This means you can now generate incredibly high-quality images directly from text prompts. No special setup, no downloads. The result's insanely realistic. It nails the details, from lighting and shadows to textures, depth, and atmosphere. Whether you're going for photorealism, cinematic scenes, fantasy art, or surreal concepts, Imagen 4 Ultra delivers. It's fast, responsive, and super easy to use. Just type your prompt, hit generate, and let the AI bring your vision to life. For a free tool, it's honestly kind of mind-blowing. I'm using the free version here, which already gives you access to a lot. But if you want higher usage limits or more advanced capabilities, you can always upgrade your plan later. Once you're in, head over to Generate Media. That's where all the creative tools live. This is the main interface, clean, simple, and super beginner-friendly. From here, click on Imagen, and you'll see it says Generate Images with Imagen right at the top. That's our prompt-to-image tool, and it's where the magic happens. You'll notice a few different model options available, including Imagen 3, Imagen 4, and Imagen 4 Ultra. Each has its own strengths, but for this video we're going all in with the heavy hitter, Imagen 4 Ultra. This is the most advanced version, capable of generating high-res, highly detailed, and stylized images from even the most complex prompts. You can even create comics using Imagen 4. Yep, full-on illustrated scenes, characters, and storytelling panels. Now let's check out some prompts in action. We're just coming onto the website now. I'm going to copy and paste a detailed prompt into the generator. Let's see how realistic this model really is. Give it a few seconds. All right, we're switching it up, going with a 1-to-1 aspect ratio this time. Let's really test how deep Imagen 4 Ultra can go when it comes to structure, lighting, and detail. Square frame, full power, let's see what it does. Seconds to process. And boom, here it is. Now check this out. The lighting, the textures, the depth, it's unbelievably realistic. This looks like it was rendered by a professional digital artist. And remember, we're still using the free version right inside Google AI Studio. Crazy, right? Same exact steps. I'm pasting it in, keeping that 1-to-1 aspect ratio, because honestly, I want to keep testing how this model handles depth, framing, and consistency across different scenes. Let's give it a second to load. And boom, here it is. Yo, this is unreal. Look at the lighting again. Soft shadows, highlights in the right places. Even the background elements have detail and depth. You've got layers, texture, and composition that just hit different. The model isn't just generating pretty pictures, it's building full visual environments. All right, last one. Let's end this with something wild. I've got a really crazy detailed prompt ready to go. Same process, dropping it in, keeping the 1-to-1 aspect ratio, because I want to see how far Imagen 4 Ultra can really push the detail in a square frame. We've already seen it crush photorealism and fantasy. Now let's try something a bit more complex and layered. All right, hitting generate, and here it comes. Yo, what? This is straight up next level. You've got depth, storytelling, lighting, texture, all working together like it was handcrafted. The shadows, perfect. The mood, on point. Even the background isn't just filler, it's adding context to the entire image. This isn't just AI art, this is production-level quality, made in seconds. It honestly feels like I'm using a premium tool, But again, this is still the free version inside Google AI Studio. Google's Imagen 4 Ultra is doing serious damage in the AI art space right now. Before we wrap it up, let's switch things up and try this in a 16:9 aspect ratio. This is the classic widescreen cinematic format, and I want to see how Imagen 4 Ultra handles a full horizontal scene. So I'm dropping in a fresh prompt, keeping it detailed, and setting the aspect ratio to 16:9. Let's hit generate and see what happens. A few seconds later, boom. Now this is cinematic. Wider frame, more space for storytelling, and the model still nails it, from foreground to background. The lighting spreads beautifully, the composition feels intentional, and honestly, this could be a movie poster. If Imagen 4 Ultra, and there you have it in 1-to-1, Imagen 4 Ultra in action, right inside Google AI Studio. The fact that we can get this level of detail, this kind of realism, and this much creative control, all from a few lines of text for free, is honestly insane. Whether you're an artist, a writer, a dev, or just curious, this is a game changer. And this is just the beginning. You've got options for different models, prompt styles, and even API integration if you want to take it further. So jump in, experiment, and see what kind of visuals you can bring to life. If you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like, maybe subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. More Imagen 4 prompts, advanced tricks, or maybe a full comic made with this thing. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.